latest update on Facebook monetization requirements. But the question is whether this Facebook requirement affect creators or not. Find out in this video. So guys, before I proceed, I would like you to share this video and like this video as well. So let's proceed. With the recent update now, you no longer need 10,000 followers or 600,000 minute view. All you need now is 5,000 followers, 60,000 minute view, and 5 active video. You can apply for Facebook in-stream ad, and everything has already been changing. Reason why is that all these video sharing app now, there is a lot of competition from TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. So they don't want to lose creators. So guys, if this update actually help you as a creator, let me know what you think at the comment section. And if it doesn't, let me know what you think in the comment section as well. So don't forget, as I said before, share this video and let others know the update Facebook is making. And I will continue updating you guys on Facebook, YouTube, even blogging. So make sure you subscribe to my channel as well, Goswi Hustle channel. Let's go there.